Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 7B of chapter 7, question number 25. The total cost of 3 tables and 2 chairs. The total cost of 3 tables and 2 chairs is rupees 1850. If a table costs rupees 75 more than a chair, if a table costs rupees 75 more than a chair, find the price of each. Here, the price of table dependent on the price of chair. So, let the cost of one chair, let the cost of one chair be rupees X. The cost of one table, let the cost of one table equal to, if a table costs 75 more than a chair, so the cost of one chair will be rupees X, then the cost of one table is 75 more than the cost of chair. So, rupees X plus 75. Students, according to question, the total cost of 3 tables and 2 chairs, 3 tables and 2 chairs is rupees 1850. So, cost of one table is rupees X plus 75. Then the cost of 3 tables is 3 into X plus 75. So 3 into X plus 75 plus cost of one chair is rupees X and the cost of 2 chairs, so 2 into X equal to total cost rupees 1815. Now remove the bracket. 3 into X, 3X plus 3 into 75, 5 3 ja 15 of 5, carry 1, 7 3 ja 21 plus 1 22 plus 2X equal to rupees 1850. 3X plus 2X, 5X plus 225, 3X plus 2X, 5X plus 225 by transposition change into minus 225. So rupees 1850 minus 225. That implies 5X equal to, subtract it, 0 minus 5, that means 10 minus 5, 5, here 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 2, 6, 1625. Now, X equal to 1625 by 5. So 5 3 ja 15, 1 2, 5 2 ja 10, 2 5, 5 5 ja 325. So the value of X is rupees 325. So X is the cost of price of cost of one chair. So 1 chair rupees X equal to rupees 325, and 1 table 75 more than, so 325 plus 75 equal to 5 plus 5 10 of 0, 7 plus 2 9, 9 1 10 of 0, 3 1, 3 plus 1 4 equal to rupees 4000 answer. Write it. Students, next question is question number 27. The length of a rectangular field is twice its breadth. The length of a rectangular field is twice its breadth. If the perimeter of the field is 150 meter, find its length and breadth. So here length is dependent on the breadth. So let the breadth be x meter. Then length is the length of a rectangular field is twice its breadth. So here breadth is x, then length is 2x meter. According to questions now, according to question, perimeter, if the perimeter of the field is 150 meter, so P equal to 150 meter. That implies the formula of P is perimeter of a rectangular is 2 into L plus B equal to 150 meter. That implies 2 into L means L is 2x. So 2x plus B is x. X equal to 150 meter. That implies 2 into 2x plus x, 3x equal to 150 meter. Now here 2 3 is 6x. That implies 6x equal to 150 meter. That implies x equal to 150 by 6 meter. 150, 6 3 ja, sorry, 6 2 ja 12. Remainder 3, 3 and 0, 30. So 6 5 ja, 6 5 ja 30. So 25 meter. The value of x is 25 meter. Therefore length x meter equal to 25 meter and breadth, breadth is x meter. Breadth is x meter equal to 25 and length is 2x meter equal to 2 into 25 meter. That means 50 meter. Answer. Write it. Students, next question is question number 30. Two supplementary angles d5 by 44 degree. Find the angle. Supplementary angle. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angle of each other. So here two supplementary angles d5 by 44 degree. So let one angle be x. Let one angle be x. The another angle equal to d5 by 45. So x minus 44 degree. So x minus 44 degree. One angle is x, other angle is x minus 44. Now, according to question, two supplementary angles. So the sum of the supplementary angle is 180 degree. We know that the sum of the pair of supplementary angles is 180 degree. So x plus x minus 44 degree equal to 180 degree. That implies x plus x, 2x minus 44 equal to 180 degree plus 44 degree. That implies 2x equal to 180 degree plus 44 degree. That means 0 plus 4, 4 degree. 8 plus 4, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 224 degree. 224 degree. That implies x equal to 224 degree by 2. 224 degree by 2. That means 112 degree. So one angle equal to x equal to 112 degree, and the another angle equal to x minus 44 degree equal to 112 degree minus 44 degree. Subtract it. 12 minus 4, 8. Now 10 minus 4, 6. 68 degree. Answer. Write it. Next question is question number 32. A man traveled 3/5 of his journey. A man traveled 3/5 of his journey by rail, 1/4 by a taxi, 1/8 by a bus, and the remaining 2 kilometers on foot. What is the length of his total journey? So let the total journey be x kilometer. Let the total journey be x kilometer. Let the total length of journey be x kilometer. So y rail 3/f of his total journey. According to question, 3/5 of x, that means 3x by 5 by a rail, plus 1/4 by a train, so x by 4, plus 1/8 by a bus, x plus 8, plus remaining 2 kilometer equal to x kilometer. Total length y rail, y train, taxi, y bus, and on foot. The sum of all length is equal to total length of journey, that means x kilometer. Now solve it. Here take an LCM 5, 4 and 8. LCM of 5, 4 and 8 is 40. 5 8s are 40. 8 3s are 24x. Plus 4 10s are 10. 4 10s are 40. 10 into x, 10x. Plus 8 5s are 40, 5x. plus 40 into 2 plus 80 equal to x. That implies 24x plus 10x, 34x. 24x plus 10x, 34x. 34x plus 5x, 39x. Plus 80. And here 40 is divided by transposition change into multiply. So 40 into x, 40x. Next step is 39x minus 40x equal to plus 80 by transposition change into minus 80. That implies 39x minus 40x equal to minus x. Minus x equal to minus 80. Minus minus cancel. That implies x equal to 80 kilometer. Answer. Right? Student, next and last question is question number 35. How much pure alcohol? It is very important question of this exercise 7b. How much pure alcohol must be added to 400 ml of a 15% solution to make its a strength? To make its a strength is 32%. 15% a strength of solution is changed into 32% strength. So let how much pure alcohol must be added? Let the required pure alcohol, let the required pure alcohol be x. Let the required pure alcohol be x or xm. Let the required pure according to question 4 ml of 15%. So according to question 15% means 15 by 100. 15 by 100 of 400 ml plus added x ml pure alcohol. In 4 ml solution, its pure alcohol be 15%. So 15 by 100 of 400 and x ml added in it. So plus 8x equal to, now the strength of solution be 32%. So that means 32 by 100 of, now solution is 400 ml plus added x ml. Solve it. 00 to 00, 15 4 ja 16 plus x equal to here 32 by 100 into 400 equal to 32 by 100 plus 32 by 100, remove the bracket, 32 by 100 into x. So 8 4 ja 32 and 25 4 ja 100. Here 00 to 00. Now change it. 60 plus x equal to 32 4 ja 2 4 ja 8 and 3 4 ja 12, 128 plus x by 25. Now x plus x by 25 by transposition changing to minus x by 25 equal to 128. 60 by transposition change into minus 60. Now here that implies x minus x by 25. Take an LCM. 25x minus x. 25x minus x equal to 68. Sorry. Here 8 into x. Check it. 8 into x. 8x. So it is changed into 8x. So 25x minus 8x. Now solve it. 25x minus 8x. 17x by 25 equal to 68. That implies x equal to 68 into 25 by 17. And now 17 for the 68, 25 for the 100 ml answer. Homework: complete exercise 7B. Students, today your homework is complete exercise 7B. Thank you. That's all.